Sniper trade of the day for July 21st, 2026. So this is in Caterpillar. Went with the 3-minute charts because of the big gap, as you're going to see. So the box at 1 is Monday's range. You see the VWAP there in the orange line. And at 2 is the last 30 minutes, or last 10 minutes, excuse me, of Monday's move. 3 is the big gap up. So we're going to bracket that with an R5. The OR10 ran up and ran back down. I took the short when it broke the OR10 using a standard R5, an R10 risk at 4. That's $5. Covered at 5 after the RL10 reverse and gave us a 1, 2, 3 exit at the edge of the dragon. So we locked in about an R. At 6, there was a continuation pattern as it crossed the dragon. So we reversed at 6 with a standard risk, added a position at 7 on a breakout above the VWAP. At 8, it rolled over. We basically scratched the second entry with an exit at the skin of the dragon and made about a little less than an R on the first position. Continuation entry at 9 as it recrossed the dragon with the same standard risk. It ground back and exited at 10 as it came through the dragon. Feels like it's stalling. Give it one more Kata 2 entry at 11. Standard risk. Started to work. Intraday high at 12, second position. Peaking at 13 and rolls over. Take the spine of the dragon at 14 as we get close to the end of the day. That was a pretty good trade. That was about 3R on that one. So net about 4.5R altogether for Caterpillar sniper trade of the day. A little bit faster than normal because I'm using 3 minutes instead of 10, but Cat is such a large cap. I needed the extra fidelity to try to get the intraday moves.